billions of people around the world don't have access to healthcare.
They don't even have access to any hardware.
But they do have access to
A phone.
So this is why we built Vytal.
Vytal uses a custom computer vision pipeline to detect micro movements on your face to then come up with HRV, heart rate, respiratory rate, blinking rate, breathing rate, and many others.
We take this data and we formulate it into a full dashboard for you. However, we realize that this issue isn't centralized to just North America. So we also implemented multiple languages for people to communicate in. We added English, Spanish, French, and Arabic.
More than that, we were able to incorporate a multi-agent system where we have 4 custom agents, a vitals interpreter, a systems assessor, a triage agent, and an explainer agent, which all connect to one pharmaceuticals agent you can talk to you about your symptoms.
Finally, you take all of this and you're able to show that report to any healthcare professional around the world, and they can assess you from there.
With that in mind, let's jump into the demo.